It's me, Mario. Game over. Game over. Hi babes, welcome. This is part 2 to making sapphire. This is the install. And make sure you like and subscribe. This is Lachey Tree L Hunty. Alright. Yeah. Hit that subscribe button on YouTube and Facebook, Hunty. Alright, so you don't miss absolutely anything. Alright, so babes, let's do a quick recap of part 1. Part 1, I colored the unit and showed you guys how I achieved these beautiful colors on this unit. I did use my Arctic Fox colors of Poseidon and Aquamarine. For further more details and demonstration, go ahead and click the link above or in the description below. Yes, hunty. And I did do a little bit of watercolor. Alright, yes. And a little bit of color defining. I made some of the hair darker and left some of the hair lighter. We call that highlights and lowlights, honey. All right. Yeah. So yes, honey, make sure you don't miss that part. If you've watched it already, let's get into the install, honey. All right. So I use a light brown cap, which went perfectly with her skin tone. And what you see me doing here, you just see me just cut it out the parts for the ears. All right. Yes. Now this cap will be left underneath her wig. So we're doing the ball cap method. To take this cap down, I'm using some Got To Be Freeze spray. And this one, it's only going to take about like a couple minutes to dry. So I'm just putting enough on her edges, covering her edges as well as a little bit of her hair. Make sure I'm getting a nice amount on there to make sure that this cap stays in place underneath her wig. So after that step is complete, I took my blow dryer and I toggled through medium heat and cold air to make sure that the Got To Be Freeze spray was all the way dry. Next step is to cut off the excess cap in the front, and I'm also going to tailor this cap to her hairline to make sure that none of that excess cap is hanging down where we want her install to be. So next step is to tack the wig down. I didn't get the part with the glue because I didn't know that my my camera wasn't recording the part where I put the glue on her head. But I used GHOSTBOND glue in the green bottle, which worked very well with her unit. I put down 2 layers and I put it just below her hairline. You don't want it on the hairline. I put a little bit on the cap as well to make sure that the cap stayed down. So I am going to cut her ears out and tack her wig down. And when I tacked her wig down, I used the lace to pull the wig down and mesh it and melt it to her scalp. It's me, Mario. All right, so at this point her wig is glued down, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the excess lace off. I'm going to cut it to her hairline. So time for some baby hairs. So I'm just taking the small proportion of the baby hairs out of the front. I'm going to go ahead and chop those down a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and mousse them down. I'm using Got To Be Mousse, which is my favorite because it molds the best. And you can also comb those baby hairs out to make them look very, very natural once you're done, once they're dry. And it furthermore takes down the lace to the scalp. So this is a silk mesh wrap I'm going to put on her head to allow her edges to lay flat as they dry. It's only going to take about a few minutes to dry. And then we're on to the next step, which is the curls, hunty. All right, yes. And you guys see how excited she is? Yes, she was too in love with her hair. And now that we're going to take the mesh wrap off because the edges are done marinating. No, I'm kidding. They're dry. So now the next step is to curl her hair so she can have her nice pretty curls. And I'm using my Baby Bliss Pro Titanium Curls, hunty. And if you did not get them around Christmas time, you might be SOL. Sorry, they were a limited edition. They do have some other ones. I don't believe that they have the rose gold anymore. But they do have other ones. They're flat iron curls that work very, very well. I love them to death. So after I curl each part of the hair, I pin them up with some extra large bobby pins to make sure that the curls stayed in their formation as they cool down, because if you let them fall before they cool all the way down, you'll get a very different effect, and I didn't want that effect at first, so I pinned them up to keep all of the curls in formation. And I'm going to do this exact same process all around her head until I get into the side part of the frontal. Alright, babes, all of her curls are pinned up. I unpinned them. Yes. See all that body in motion? She could not stop dancing. It was so cute. Yes. So I'm just curling these out. She is making me laugh, y'all. So I was curling these out. I took my my wig brush and then curled them. I curled the rest of them out. I curled the top curls out with a fine tooth comb to make sure that all of the hair at the top meshed as one. And I curled the bottom curls out with the wig brush. And everything came out nice and full because I used a 13x6 frontal with 3 bundles. Yes, hunty. Curls are popping. Yes, hunty. Let me know what you guys thought of the color, the install, everything down in the comment section below. And thank you, babes, for watching. I might be saying it a little bit early, but thank you, babes, for watching. Yes. And here is more of the back. Yes. That light had them curls popping, y'all. Yes, the color popping, everything. Yes, and you can see the different variations of the colors that I put into this unit, as well as the streaks. Yes, hunty. This is my favorite so far. And thank you again, babes, for watching. I will be happy and greatly appreciated if you like and subscribe if you haven't done that already at the beginning. And make sure y'all come back every week. I'll have new uploads every week. We're back into a new year. We're getting back onto this weekly uploads. As I just said, make sure you follow me on all social media, Instagram, Facebook. You'll find me under Artistry Couture or by Lachey. Thanks for watching, babe. See you next time. Bye.